Well, folks, in today's video, we got a little something special. Trains. Yum. Other guy, come on. Woo! It's awesome just to see trains running around, guys. Comment down below. What do you guys like more? What scale? Put it in the comments. I'm gonna add a small tanker. Connect it. Now we're gonna do something that's light, but pretty light. So, of course. Now if you guys haven't dang it, not yeah, Chattanooga. Oh, that's the way I said that, guys, because chat got moved. I don't want it to pop off. Set my phone down. Oh, because I want it to. But yeah, guys, I love trains. I bet you guys love trains. But yeah, little tiny caboose to go on my little train. Choo choo. Yes, I say that like that because I'm a kid. I'm only 16 technically. It's not going on for some reason. Now, small train. There you go, guys. Go. Come on. Woo! Oh, stop. Okay, so this tanker car is being a butthole right now. I'm gonna do a little layout. So look, that's my layout. Come on. Hoo. Yeah. Yeah. Go. Oh no. What's wrong? Is there anything weird? You. Well, okay, guys, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Shorts in the car, because why not? Because these guys have not UL, but don't want to jinx it. Look at that, guys. Trains, choo-choo. Yeah. Awesome, guys. That's my lot, but if you guys see, had a thing, so I'm gonna do that too in a little bit. It's going really well, so yeah, I'll see you guys in a little bit. Alright, guys, so I added the diamond now. There's nothing else on here yet, but I will. Now we're gonna add, let's say, this color. Ooh, you have a weight to it. Oh, I don't know if you can go. I'll add you. If this thing does not move, I will not add it. Well, these are whole notes, so. Okay, there we go. Now. Okay, guys, now let's see. I have no idea if I'm actually gonna run. Okay, it's going. Come on. Uh-oh. Okay, guys, hold on. I'll be right back, guys. Okay, guys, I got it back. Okay, I don't know why it's moving. Hold on, guys. Alright, guys, I got the consist back. Just some truck issues. Come on. Keep pulling. I think it's this car, but it's a... Oh, yep. Okay, guys, so what you want to do, just shake it. You could just... Go okay. So if again, you don't want to roll it back, just... There. Now, I'm just gonna... have all my engines right now, so I'm just gonna put them in that box right now until I go to bed, and then I'm gonna put them in the drawers. In a drawer. That it's a small consist, but it'll work. Well, okay. Wait a minute. Whoa. Okay, guys. We got a problem here. But okay, guys. I'm gonna fix it real quick. But yeah, good. You guys in a little bit. I got it back. Come on. But my engine, oh, it can pull. Alright, guys, so I'll just come back around. Stop you right here. But yeah, guys, I'll get you guys in a little bit. My engine, and, well, stand up here. Oh, you guys will watch it. Now, it says here. It doesn't work really that well, but yeah. That's my engine. But yeah, guys, let me switch it out. Come on, buddy. Yeah, guys, it's running pretty well. As you can tell. Come on. Sorry, guys, for the mess. Don't worry about it. Yep, that's the whole box. Come on, little guy, go. Oh, no. Okay. But yeah, there it goes, guys. Okay, get one more shot of this beautiful engine before we leave.